Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Now I have a 3D model. This 3D model, it has a lot of material texture. There are hundreds or thousands of material texture and they are attached to different parts of the 3D model. Now I try to open with the Blender 5.2 and I will let you see. I press A and press delete to delete everything from the Blender scene. I drag and drop the FBX file into the Blender 5.2. I import the FBX. Now I turn on the material texture. Now it already loaded. Now I will just check the material. Now you can see so many material, different material textures, so many. So how can I just bake everything, merge all of the materials, multiple materials to become just one single material texture? How to make this? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to merge hundreds or thousands of different material texture to become just one single material texture. So now the FBX file is already here. If it is in your Blender, you can just export as FBX if you want. And then the path mode, choose copy. Then here, embed all the texture. We are going to embed all of the material textures into the FBX exported. I will just export it on my desktop. I will just name this as model 01. I click export FBX. It is already on my desktop. Now you can see it is already on my desktop. Then to merge all of the material texture, we just need to use another third-party software. It is going to just merge everything in seconds. This is Character Creator 5. Of course, we are not going to make any character, but in this Character Creator 5, it have a function. It have InstaLOD. This InstaLOD is already embedded inside the Character Creator 5 software. You can have unlimited use at here as long as you already have the CC5. So I'm going to show you all the step-by-step. The first step, drag in the model FBX into CC5, the Character Creator 5, then just import as a prop. Keep original, just convert all, and wait for a while. Alright, now, it already imported. It is so big, but it's okay. We just want to use the CC5 to merge all of the material texture. You can just check the material, so many material texture for different parts of the 3D model. What we need to do is to merge all of the material texture. You just need to double click the 3D model, double click, make sure it already gets selected. Just need to move your mouse cursor to the 3D model and double click it. Once already selected, click File, Export, FBX, selected. Then the target tool preset, you need to choose the target software that you want to export to. For example, Blender. I choose Blender, and then make sure you activate the InstaLOD. Once you already activated the InstaLOD, select Merge Material, and the bake texture size you can just choose 8K 8092, and then click the setting. Scroll down, make sure you merge the opacity to diffuse texture. And then here select embed textures. Click export, click OK. Export it on my desktop. I will just choose the destination on my desktop. The file name, I'm going to just name this as model 01 underscore merge material. I click save. Now the Character Creator 5 is exporting the FBX file, exactly export the whole 3D model. It is not necessary the humanoid avatar. It can be any 3D model that you import as FBX file. Then you export as FBX file with InstaLOD, merge material. Now it is exporting, just wait for a while until it appears on my desktop. now it's almost done. We need to wait until 100%. Now it's already done, exported. You can see it is already on my desktop, model 01 underscore merge material. I double click and check with the Autodesk FBX review. Now the 3D model is fine. Now I check with Blender. Open another Blender. Open with the new window. And then in Blender I press A to delete everything. I drag and drop the model 01 merge material, the version that I already merged the material, into Blender, and just have a test. I import the FBX file. Then I turn on the material texture. Just wait for a few seconds. Now it is loading the material texture. It takes a few seconds. Alright, now it's done. You can see all of the multiple material textures already merged into just one single material. Just one single texture. We check the material. You can see it is only one. It is only one. If I check the shading, under the shading you can see it is only just one single material. And then if I go to the UV editing, just search for the picture, the image I'm going to just save as and save it on my desktop and have a look what type of the image, that how it already merged, how it merged to become just one single material texture. Now it is at here. I double click and open to check. You can see it is really complicated. All of the about 200 material texture already merged to become just one single material. Just one single texture now. And just one single texture under the UV. You can see it is from so many UV. So complicated. But this is made by the InstaLOD, not made by human. You just one click merge multiple material textures to become just one single material. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to merge multiple material textures to become just one single material for any of your 3D models, any of your FBX file, or any of your Blender 3D model. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos tutorials about 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!